game. Really? As soon as I start recording, you start talking like that? Shut up. I'm once again in a train station. In the train Elizabeth line. And I'm back from my 2 days off. It was very enjoyable to have this time off to myself to spend with family, and it's cool to like dedicate time specifically for that, you know. And I don't have anything else to worry about, anything else to do. Like, yeah. Other people coming up to me. Some people walk hella fast. I got some time before my train comes. So I'm covered from the cold right now. Madam Boss. He's on it. He's locked in. So am I. Looking good. I had my induction day at work, and I'm finally starting this week. Let's go. Let's go. I finally have an income to be able to support my mom financially. Boom. That was the main aim for why I really wanted to get a job, to be able to do that. And I'm thinking of like putting my whole first month of payment towards that. It's like I have enough money to be stable right now, to be able to afford giving my mom my first month. So yeah, boom, just like that. Still yet to tell her that. I can see my train coming. We'll be able to see it too in a second. I didn't think about this too much. Oh, I see a train driver. They get paid a lot, and I don't think they do their job well enough to be paid like that. I'm kidding. Is that a bad thing to say? Yeah, my family came over, and even they were shocked. Well, of course, at the prices of travel. So we were like walking through the double gates together at certain points. So yeah, saving as much money as possible. Check out this train. Look at me giving you train content. It's so nice, aren't they? We'll wait until the train passes that little bridge. My train, not the Elizabeth train. We'll do Elizabeth. I don't mind walking. I like walking. That sometimes happens, like when I'm on Elizabeth and my train is coming literally at the same time. But on this moment, the people there would be able actually to make it. Good on them. I'm heading down as well. I didn't wait for it to cross the bridge. Fuck that. Damn, and another train coming here. Trains everywhere. Whoa. Whoa. I guess see you in a bit. Right. As I was getting ready to put on a song I really wanted to hear, it was time to get off, and hence time to record. It was gonna be the Bob Dylan, A Complete Unknown song. Or is it Rolling Stone? No. No, that's not the song name. That's just the lyric. But yeah, that I wouldn't mind rewatching because I came pretty a bit late to that movie. So I wouldn't mind rewatching it for the second time. Um, yeah, I wanted to talk about like I guess how I feel in terms of recording after my break, and it does feel a bit off, like the actual action of doing it, the actual preparing myself for a recording. So there's definitely, for some reason, a bit getting used to do. Damn, I don't have glasses. That was like, I had to run for the train, I remembered on my way there. So it's like, yeah, I couldn't, which is very unfortunate. I felt very naked when I looked in the reflection without glasses. And that's weird thing to say, really, because I didn't expect to be wearing glasses like that at all. I never saw myself as a glasses person. And then I realized I could be a sunglasses person. And that vibed a bit more with me. But yeah. Damn. The wind is winding. Oh. I'll show you in a sec. When me and my uncle were going around walking and smoking in Erith, we did actually sneak through to that new park they're building. They're finishing it off now, most of it is already built. So we ended up playing on a playground, like a literal one. We climbed it up, went down the slide, and we on the, are they seesaws? Whatever they're called, where you can sit on either end and go up and down. But what we were doing in there was trying to balance it out with the use of both of us. So yeah, it was cool. I did manage to. It wasn't as easy as you would expect. Okay, I'll go out towards the river just for your sake, really. It'll be pretty damn cold. But I'm willing to do it. It's not a great weather today, even though the sun did.
Alright, my phone ran out of storage. And here I am. I don't want to record the last bit very fast. I don't want to stay here. Take it in. I hope you feel cold. It's feeling. When I was done with my induction, I ended up walking past a market store with, wait, let me take that. I got a little chessboard for myself. And it's magnetic as well. Isn't that sick? It was not cheap, but that was the way I treated myself. And I found a sick ass leather shop with a leather measuring tape that I will get once I worked at my place. So yeah, that's my second treat was gonna be that I wouldn't allow myself to be spending money much like that anymore. So yeah, boom. I think now's the time. So yeah, goodbye. Bye bye. Bye bye.